Dear friends in IGCSE syllabus, in this video I'm going to solve question number 7 from October-November version 42 2023. So let's see what we have to do about it. The diagram shows a right angle triangle PQR on a horizontal ground. X is vertically above R. And the angle of elevation of X from P is 21, which means here if you draw this line like this angle will be 21. Calculate the angle of elevation of X from Q. X from Q means you draw this line and you have to find this angle here. To do that, we can use the right angle triangle XRQ, and then we say tan angle Q is equal to opposite 2.8 divided by adjacent 7.1, and then you can see Q equal tan inverse 2.8 divided by 7.1, and like this you get Q equal 21.5, and that is question A. Question B, calculate PQ. Now to calculate PQ, let's calculate first PR. So what is PR? We can see tan 21 from triangle XPR. So from triangle XPR, we can say tan 21 is equal to 2.8 divided by PR. And if you rearrange this, you get PR is equal to 2.8 divided by tan 21. Like this we got PR. Now we have to find PQ. To find PQ, we can use Pythagoras now. So we can see PQ squared is equal to 7.1 squared plus PR squared, which is 2.8 divided by tan 21 squared, and then after doing square root on the calculator, PQ would be 10.2. So the answer is 10.2. So like this we found PQ by using Pythagoras theorem. Let's see now what we have to do about next question. Calculate the acute angle KML. KML means this angle here. Clearly we have to use sine rule. Sine rule is A over sine A equal B over sine B. So if you use it here, you can say 16.7 divided by sine M is equal to 9.1 divided by sine 32. And then if you rearrange the equation, you can cross multiply here. So we get 9.1 times sine M is equal to 16.7 times sine 32. And then divide both sides by 9.1 here and here. Cancel these. So like this we got sine M equal this amount. So now you can see M equals sine inverse 16.7 times sine 32 divided by 9.1, and that will be the angle 76.5. Like this we solved question B. Now let's move to question C. In question C, we're saying to you, you have this triangle show that the angle BAC 28.4. BAC means this angle here. So you are given the area. We know the formula for area of triangle. Area is equal to half AB sine C, which means half times side times another side times sine angle between them. So if you use it here, the area is given to you 62.89 equal half times 12.3 times 21.5 times sine the required angle, which is angle A here. Now we can now divide both sides of the equation by half times 12.3 times 21.5 on both sides. Cancel these, you get sine A is equal to, you calculate this on the calculator and then you put it here, then you do A equal sine inverse this amount, and then you get from the calculator you get the angle 28.4. Last question now, calculate BC. BC is this length, let's label it X here. To calculate BC we can use cosine rule. So here we say BC squared is equal to 12.3 squared plus 21.5 squared minus 2 times 12.3 times 21.5 times cosine the angle that we got in the previous question, 28.4. Now if you put all of them on the calculator and then you do square root, you get BC is equal to 12.2, and that is the answer.